Sobrang
Mm.
love ko yung underwater action scene. Like, parang,
Yes!
what is
Yes!
happening? Ang galing.
Grabe.
Tapos yung alam mo na dun
Mm-mm.
sa world na to, underwater, ang
Mm-mm.
babae ang mananalo dito.
Parang alam mo kasi na on land, they're gonna lose versus the men. Kasi they don't have
Oo.
that eh. But in the water, they're queens. Kaya parang the moment na nag-decide yung mga lalaki na parang, oh, meron kaming diving equipment. Alam mo yun, kaya
Correct.
namin
Oxygen
kayo parang,
tanks.
oo,
Correct.
may mga tanks kami, parang, you stupid
I
Akala nyo?
know.
Akala nyo, ha?
1, 2, sarang!
Hey! Annyeong, this is Trency.
Hello, this is Pia.
Hi, this is Monica, and welcome to another episode of 1, 2, Sarang! Woohoo! Hello sa inyong listeners. Hello to our Sarang base.
Hello, hello.
And hello to you, Pia and Trency.
Oh,
My
hello
name is
there,
Monica.
Miss Monica.
Annyeonghaseyo.
I have a question for you guys.
Hmm.
What was the most intense or unusual and maybe even ridiculous thing that you have ever done to make money?
Okay, maybe not really make money, but not have to pay. So, alam mo yun, so nakatipid din ako.
Okay.
And this was during my 20s when I would constantly go up on the bars and dance my ass off for free bottles. Like bottles.
What?
So sa mga
Wow.
nakapuntang
Wow.
Imperial, di ba? Imperial,
Wow.
Tuesdays for hip-hop nights and all that. Usually, bibigay sila ng mga ng mga bote sa mga best workers. Oh, syempre, I'm a twerking worker. I work
Nagkayote ugly ka pala, hindi ka nagsasabi.
at nakakuha ako ng mga libreng bote. What up?
Ang luma na naman ng reference ng Coyote Ugly.
Coyote
Paki-explain
Ugly.
sa mga hindi alam.
Sobrang luma. Grabe.
Ikaw, Pia. Did you also work
Ridiculous.
the dance floor?
Alam niyo kung nalaman ko lang na may ganun, guys.
Alam mo,
Trency,
oo.
sana nabalitaan mo ako nung mga panahon na yun.
Diba? I mean, yung
Hindi
mga pag
sana.
natin, girl.
Diba?
Pang
Di-
work it yan eh.
Para lang sa bote. Like,
Mm.
super G. Pero
Yeah.
parang ako, parang may, ewan ko lang pero parang kind of nabudol nung time na
Mm-mm.
parang nauuso yung mga networking. Kasi
Mm.
yan yung time na vulnerable because I didn't really have a job because I was still trying to become an actress. Wow, there was that
Mm.
era.
Oh my
Pero
God,
yun,
yeah.
tas- right? Tapos parang may nagsabi sa akin yung sa phone call na, you were referred by so-and-so and we know that you're such a great actress. Channelin.
Mm.
So parang na-stroke yung ego ko tapos pagdating ko networking pala. As in yun talaga yung moment na, anong ginagawa ko sa sarili ko? Ganon.
Oo.
So umalis na lang ako kagad sa gitna ng lahat ng pangyayari.
Mm-mm.
Yun ang naalala ko.
Oh, gosh.
MLM
Ako naman,
experience.
Yes.
Ako naman medyo work-related, pero soon na nag-film na ako bago pa ako. So yung role ko, assistant. Siyempre, starting from the bottom, alam mo yun.
Mm.
Yes.
And then,
Mm.
may isang film project na kailangan namin magstay in the middle of my very favorite province, Tarlac.
Tarlac!
Yes.
Attention nyo,
Grabe.
kung di ako
Filming
punta.
Mecca.
Oo nga eh. Hello, Tarlac, promote nyo na ako, ha? Lagi ko kayong pinopromote.
Ambassadress.
Anyway, oo.
Correct.
So, there was a time na kailangan namin magstay in doon. Tapos, very limited lang kasi yung housing for us. Kasi meron ding budget constraints, etc. etc. So, basically, binahay ako sa isang bahay na merong
Binahay?
isang binahay. merong
Binahay?
isang
Kasal ka na?
banyo. May isang
Sinabi sa
banyo
amin.
lang. Tapos,
Mm.
ang mga kasama ko doon, puro lalaki. I'm so sorry. This is so
Mm.
very maarte. But basically, siguro 1 or 2 weeks yon of dreading to like use the bathroom because,
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm so sorry to boys, but you guys don't use your bathrooms well, okay?
I
And
Yeah. Oo
know.
nga.
so parang habang naliligo ako, na alam mo yun, naamoy ko yung pawis, yung baho, and all that. Parang
Yeah.
Nag-graduate naman ako sa magandang paaralan. Ba't ko 'to ginagawa? As in gano'n.
So, based sa actions ni
Yes.
Monica, tabu po ang ginagamit
Tabo,
doon.
oh, tabo siya.
Correct.
Probinsya kung
Aha.
probinsya kasi.
Mhm, mm.
So, ayun. Parang dun ko na-feel na ang hirap kumita ng pera.
Oh my
Correct.
God, mga
Mm.
mahirap kumita ng pera
Oo, totoo,
moments.
totoo.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Mm.
But anyway, the reason why I asked this question is because we are going to be talking about a film that basically has the storyline of people trying to earn money. And this film is called Smugglers. Yeah.
Ooh,
So we are
smugglers.
in our film exploration era, guys. This is like our third film this season. Can you believe?
Yeah,
Wow.
oo. In
Oo. Kasi,
fairness.
I mean, to be fair, madami naman talagang magagandang pelikula out there.
Yes.
And kahit na initially we wanted to do as much dramas as we can kasi yun naman yung hook namin talaga in this podcast, parang nahirapan pa kami to really find the good dramas to watch right now. Merong mga paparating na episodes, please
And
watch
may
for it.
ongoing.
Ongoing. So we
Mm.
might be able to talk about them. But for now, habang wala pa kaming pwedeng mapag-usapan since hindi pa tapos yung mga drama na yon, magpelikula tayo because why not, 'di ba? So,
Mhm.
ayun na nga, hence Smugglers. And this film can be watched on View. So, hello, View Philippines.
Hi,
Here we
View.
are
Hi.
again. So, for this episode, I'm just gonna be asking kung ano ang impressions niyo on the film and kung meron bang nag-resonate ng mga themes on the film that you guys want to talk about. But there is one particular theme na very, very important, or at least
Mm.
very, very up there. And it is on the gender and power dynamics. Uh, and I want to talk about that. So that's going to be my third question. And finally, I will be asking if you think this film was worth a watch and if you'd like to recommend it to others. So,
Yes.
ayon.
Mm.
Pero syempre, bago natin pasukin yung mga katanungan na yan, I am going to be talking about the film, the background of the film. So, one of its stars, the Madame Kim Jesus, said in an interview
Yes.
with the Korean Herald, it was fun to just hear the words of the movie, the keywords of the movie, henyo, smuggling, 1970s, and I decided to do this project because of those. O, diba? Saktong-sakto yung mga
Wow.
keywords na yun eh.
Mm.
So, ano nga
Yeah.
ba ang synopsis ng pelikula na to? I got this from the review of Daniel Bayer from awardswatch.com. O, diba?
Oh. Mm.
Hello, Daniel.
Okay.
Charot.
So, ito. In the mid-70s South Korea, smuggling important goods was big business. In a small seaside village of Kuncheon, new factories have begun polluting the waters where fisherwomen, or henyos, have long collected abalone and other shellfish from the sea floor while free diving. Needing a way to earn a living now that their fish can't be sold, the boat owner agrees to have the women dive for crates of smuggled goods instead. When customs agents catch them in the act, diver Shun Ja, that's Kim Hee-soo's character,
Mhm.
barely manages to escape while the rest of the women serve a prison sentence. 3 years later, Chunja finds herself on the wrong side of one of the biggest smugglers in Seoul, and the only way to save herself is to return to Kuncheon and face the wrath of her former best friend Jin Suk, who is played by Yoon Jung Ah, and the rest of the
Nice.
divers who believe she set them up. Spoiler alert, this story is packed with constant twists and betrayals as characters double, triple, even quadruple cross each other during the heist operations.
Mhm.
And it keeps on making you guess on who the real villain is until the very end. So
Mm.
if you don't know and don't want to find out yet, and please don't, if you want to enjoy the film better, you can watch
Yes.
the film on View first and then come back to us and we'll be waiting. Okay, so ayon,
Mhm.
Clara lang, now is the time to
To watch.
stop, to watch.
Oo. Yes.
2
To stop.
hours? How long is the movie?
It's just a 2 hour, 9 minute film. Yon.
Oh,
So,
go.
oo. Balik kayo ah.
Mm.
Hi.
The
We're
genre,
back.
the film,
Mm.
is marketed as an aquatic crime action epic. So basically, it's like Ocean's 8 in an actual body of water. If you guys
Yes.
remember Ocean's 8.
Yes.
Correct.
Oo, diba?
Oo, correct.
Okay, so Smugglers was released in South Korea on July of 2023. So last year lang. And
Recent.
it did pretty well, as in 2 weeks
Mm.
topping the box office. But observers say that it probably could have done better had it not been released alongside Barbie. Kasi Barbie pretty much dominated,
Barbie and
Yes.
Oppenheimer.
and
So
Oppenheimer, yeah.
Correct.
Oo.
Barbenheimer
So,
ang
So
kinalaban
may
niya.
ganon na medyo na-bury siya there. Pero it still
Mm.
did pretty well. I mean, as a
Mm.
local film,
Considering. Yes.
considering. It is currently 88% fresh in Rotten Tomatoes, and
Oh, in
it
fair.
debuted internationally via the
Mm.
Toronto Film Festival and then
Mhm.
Locarno, and several
Mm.
other film festivals.
Mhm.
And the Korean Cultural Center of the Philippines actually featured this film as one of their
Offerings.
as one of their
Mm.
offerings in that recent Korean Film Festival that was held just last September.
Oh.
Actually, kaya ito napunta
Yes.
sa radar natin. Kasi
Okay,
parang
because of
We
Pia
saw
said,
that.
it.
"Hey, I want to watch this
Yeah.
movie." And nagkataon na
Oo.
nakita ko siya na it's already available on View. So parang, why not,
Oo.
'di ba?
Correct, totoo. Oo.
So the film stars Kim Hee-soo, who plays Chunja, Madame Kim Hee-soo. So she
Madam.
is a henyo, a smuggler,
Mm.
and a hustler. And of course, we know her from Under the Queen's Umbrella, Juvenile
Mhm.
Justice, and our very favorite Signal.
Yeah! Kailan ka ba
Mhm.
babalik
Jang,
for
jang,
that,
Malapit na!
madam?
May teaser teaser na,
Please!
'di
My
ba?
Yes.
goodness.
Cannot
Exciting.
wait.
Oo.
Uh-huh. We also have Yoon Jung-ah, also a
Mm.
Madame. Jeez.
Yeah.
She
Yeah.
plays Jin Suk. She is also a henyo, a smuggler, and the eldest sister of the family who operates the boat. She
Mhm.
is best friends with Junja in the film, and si Junga, we also
Mhm.
know her from Sky Castle. Like, how can we forget
Yes.
her because
Exactly.
of
Mm.
Sky Castle?
As a
And then meron
madam.
akong fun fact. I found out that she is in this variety show called Fresh Off the Sea with Dex. And
Yes, they are.
yeah,
And the other
Mm.
henyo na yung medyo big girl, she's part of it as well.
really? Oh, that's so
Oh!
cool. Oh.
Yes.
And I found that little fun fact really cute because in the
Mm.
interview she was saying that she actually had a fear of water right before
Mm.
she joined this film, but she decided to take this film because it was interesting, and then she trained hard, and alam mo yon,
Mm.
grabe yung months
Wow.
of training niya of swimming in the water, and now she feels like she can live in the water. So parang nakakatuwa na, o, 'di ba?
Wow.
Meron siyang fresh of the sea variety na, tama ba? Parang nagpa-catch sila ng fish in some small
Iba-iba per
seaside town or
episode.
something.
Depende kung ano yung pinaka product nung town, pero usually seaside town siya.
Oh, but
So may
point is,
farming, may
Ah.
oo.
fishing, ganyan.
So yun yung point nung
Ah.
variety, parang nanguhuli lang sila na kung anong specialty nung lugar na yun, gano'n?
Not necessarily fish, but anything
Ah.
that's
Boys.
product of that town.
Seaside. Boys.
Yes. Kasi nandun si Dex na lahat
Oo.
nilalandi. Walang
Oh my
pinipiling
God.
Right, si
landiin.
Junga?
Gee.
Oo. I
Oh.
mean, yung
Talagang
peg nila
pinipiling
dun
lalaki
are
na to.
siblings. Parang nuna-nuna. Pero,
Ah.
I mean, ano
Alam mo
lang,
naman,
harmless
siblings.
flirtation with
exactly.
a possible sister.
Uh-huh.
Weird.
And speaking of flirtation, the man that we want to flirt with, another
Naman.
cast member is Jo In Sung. Oh my
My
goodness.
God.
The very,
hotness.
very handsome
Grabe.
Jo In Sung, who plays
Mm-mm.
Master Sergeant Kwon. So he is
Mm-mm.
actually a police officer, but is also the smuggler kingpin whose operations were halted in Busan. So siya yung reason kung bakit yung character ni Hesu na si Chunja ay
Mm.
naghanap ng ibang paraan to, continue his operations. Kasi nga, hindi na siya maka-operate. So she suggested na, hey, why not do it in Kunchon? Because we've done it before. Ayun.
Correct.
Of course, we know Jo In Sung from Moving. Oh my goodness. Moving, wala lang. Still can't stop thinking about it. We have an
Yes.
episode on it. If you guys wanna
Mm-mm.
check it out. And we also know him from It's Okay That's Love, Pia's very, very
Yes.
favorite
Mm-mm.
show. And
Mm-hmm.
of
Yes.
course, the very, very awesome variety show, Unexpected Business. Na mahal
Yes.
natin. Na 3 seasons
Mm-mm.
na. Na tama
Mm-hmm.
ba? Nasa View
Yes.
din?
Yung
No,
isa
it's on Disney
lang, the third,
Ah,
Plus.
Disney
Disney
Plus
Plus.
pala. So check
Mm-mm.
out that show because it's also really, really great. And syempre,
Mm-mm.
Jo and Sung, my God, like, how do you not want to like see him all the time? Sobrang
Correct.
pogi niya sa pelikulang to, guys. Like,
Grabe.
cannot miss.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
We also have Park Jong Min. He plays Jang Dory or Hammer. So he is a smuggler and the younger brother. He was also in Hellbound and Decision to Leave the film and Time to Hunt the
Mm.
film. Parang mas film person
Oo.
siya, apparently. Mm-mm.
Oo.
Decision to Leave with Go Kyung Pyo.
Yeah,
Yung mga
Oo.
pinupush nating pelikula.
actually. Oh, nasa lineup din natin yun, di ba? Na we
Oh my
Oo.
wanna
God.
Hello,
watch.
Correct.
Netflix.
We have Kim Jong-soo who plays Lee Jang-chun. He is the customs officer. So, we already have seen him also in Moving. He plays the
Huh?
security guard of the high school. O, diba?
Oh,
That was
andun siya.
him. Yeah. So, we can also see him in Snowdrop
Ah.
and the Kingdom series, the Zombie.
Who was he
And
there?
Ayun.
Who was he there
in
in Kingdom?
Kingdom, hindi
Oo.
ko na maalala. Hindi ko na na-search,
Oo.
sorry. But
Oo, okay,
probably
okay.
one of the ministers or something.
Oo,
Most
oo.
Yeah,
likely.
yeah, yeah.
He
Mm.
looks very familiar nga.
He does.
Oo, he
Oo.
does, he does.
Mm.
Pero mas marami din siyang pelikula, it seems, kasi
Mm-mm.
mas kilala siya sa Kingmaker,
Mm-mm.
and nandun din siya sa Dream, yung soccer film with
With
IU.
IU
Baka
and
doon,
Yeah.
pinanood natin
PSJ.
yun, diba?
Which
No.
one?
Ah,
Dream?
okay.
Oo.
Dream. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
I
We
watched
didn't
Dream.
talk about
Ako, I
it,
didn't
but
We
watch
yeah,
didn't
it.
I
talk
watched
about
it.
it. Yeah, I
Ako, I didn't
watched it
watch it.
too. Mm-mm. He was also in Samjin Company English Class and Dr. Chon and the Lost Talisman. Gusto ko lang i-mention because these are two fantastic films na
Mm-mm.
napanood ko in the
Mm.
airplane. You know?
Ah.
But
Oo.
if you have time to,
Mm-mm.
explore more films, do check out those two films. Both feature
Mm-mm.
Esom, one of my favorite
Mm.
actresses, I mean. And he did pretty
Mm-mm.
good too there,
Mm.
si Kim Jong-soo. By the way, he won a Best Supporting Role Baeksang for this movie, Smugglers. So, why not, diba? Good job to him.
Wow.
Congrats, sir.
In
He did.
fairness. Okay.
And finally, sa ating main cast, we have Go Min-shi, who plays Go Ok-boon
Yes.
or Buna. So, she
Correct.
is the youngest player in the game, and she
Mm-hmm.
is the owner of a tea house. We can see her in The Frog. She was also
Mm-hmm.
in the Sweet Home series, and we also did an episode on this, the drama Youth of May. So check it out if
Yes.
you guys
Yes.
wanna listen to that
Gominshi.
episode as well.
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
I love her.
Right? She is so awesome in this movie, and her
Sobra.
Yeah.
Eli is
Mm-mm.
just something
Is
else.
very thin.
I don't want to end this film background without mentioning the director. The director of this film is Ryu Sung-won. And medyo sikat siya, ha? He is known as Korea's action kid for his unique
Mm-mm.
action and rough lifestyle. He
As in his
actually
lifestyle
Action
is
kid.
rough?
I guess, sorry, kinopya ko lang din yun sa
Oh,
Wikipedia.
siya mismo talaga rough as a person?
Oo.
Like,
Pag hawakan mo siya,
oo nga.
magaspang.
Magaspang.
Ano ba?
Grabe,
Gawa ba siya
pwede
sa
naman
ano?
gun-gun. Mga mahilig
Gawa
lang
ba siya
siyang
sa
manapak.
Gugo? Gugo. Gugo magaspang, di ba?
So he trained under the director Park Chan-wook. He was a long time assistant
Ah.
director for him, and it makes
Mm-mm.
sense because
Mm-mm.
alam mo yon, in this film you can see so much of influence from Park Chan-wook
Mm-mm.
and also Guy Ritchie and Quentin Tarantino. He's like the Korean Guy
Yes.
Ritchie, Quentin
Yeah.
Tarantino.
Yeah.
Yes.
And get this, he has a love for Hong Kong style action films, as in yung mga Jackie
Mm-mm.
Chan.
Ah,
He
yeah.
grew up with Korean action films of the 60s and 70s. He loved Bruce Lee and Shaw Brothers flicks. And he has a
Mm.
thing for those kitschy Korean melodramas. All this makes sense because of this
Yes.
movie, diba? Alam mo yun?
Exactly.
Oo.
Everything that I just mentioned is shown in this film.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
His first film called Die Bad became a cult hit.
Mm.
And as in sobrang big niya, but after that, parang medyo naglaylo. He had a few flops, I guess. Pero in the recent
Mm.
years, sobrang blockbuster. Blockbuster after blockbuster
Mm.
siya.
And
Starting with The
fair.
Veteran in 2015, it is the biggest
Mm.
hit of Ryu's career, and it's currently the fifth all-time highest grossing film in Korean cinema history.
Ooh, maybe we should watch that.
Wow.
I'm
I
interested.
know.
Mm.
I'm also interested in this Battleship Island. That's a film
Mm.
from 2017. It's
Mm.
about the Koreans who were drafted into forced labor during World War II. Yun. Parang narinig ko na yan
Oh.
somewhere eh. Parang
Wasn't
very,
it
very
on
big film.
Netflix or something?
I'm not so sure
Parang
actually. Palagi siyang name-mention kasi
oo,
palagi ko yung
pwede
nakikita sa
din.
mga listahan eh ng mga films,
Mm.
Korean
Mm.
films to
To
watch.
watch.
But this next film of his last before
Mm.
Smugglers, is
Mm.
on Netflix. It's called Escape from Mogadishu. So it's a
Ah,
film
yeah.
2021. He did this. So it's
Oo.
a film
Mm.
based on real events of the Somali Civil War in the
Yeah.
90s.
Mm.
And Jo In-sung is part of this film as well.
Yeah.
So
Mm.
I think dun
Tama.
sila first nag-work together. If you guys
Mm.
haven't seen this, it's also a fantastic film. Really, really worth
Mm.
the watch. I can't
Yeah.
recommend it enough.
Mm.
Um, see, Ryu Sung-won was part of the writing team, but he co-wrote it with Kim Jung-yeon and Choi Cha-won. And I
Mm.
don't want to miss out in mentioning the technical team behind this film. We have cinematographer Choi Yun-won, who also lensed Escape from Mogadishu. The art director Lee Hoo Kyung, who also did
Mm.
Battleship Island with Ryu Sung-won nga. And he was also the PD of The Wailing. So, 'di ba? It
Oh,
really
it
makes
all connects. My
'di ba?
goodness.
It's
Their
Ah.
world
super
is really
connecting.
small. Oo.
Have to mention the costume designer Yoon Jung-hee because
Mm.
I have so much to say about the costumes later. And
Mm.
finally, the music was by Chang Ki-ha, who is best
Mm.
known as the lead singer of the indie rock band Ki-ha and the Faces. O, 'di ba? Ang cool.
Mm.
Parang ano lang siya. Sino yun? But anyway, I really love the music of this film as well.
Mm.
So,
Mhm.
ayun, that is all about the film Smugglers. So, start na tayo sa ating mga katanungan about this film, our discussion. Starting with impressions. What did you
Mm.
guys think of the film?
I really enjoyed this film. It was so engaging. Like, I
Mm.
actually am surprised that it was like 2 hours because it did not feel like it when I was watching it. Parang, yun nga, because it's twist after twist. That's why sobrang, I was just really hooked and ang dami ding parallelisms. I mean, it's not as if may mga henyo tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Pero like, when I was a
Mga ganyan.
journalist, a lot of the stories that I was covering had a lot to do with customs. Henyo. Ngayon ko lang nagets.
Pinoy henyo.
Pinoy henyo. Correct. But I did cover a lot of things from customs and I do know a lot of stories. So parang, okay,
Mm.
like this whole smuggling thing. And even like when I was working in the liquor company, that's one of our biggest problems as well. Mga ganon. Kaya parang, ang galing na ganon yung approach and ganun yung story na
Mm.
pinalabas dito kasi ang galing lang din. And then like, additional din sa impression, sobrang ayun lang, binabanggit ko kanina na sobrang love ko talaga si Jo In-sung na gusto
Mm.
ko yung laging merong parang pa-homage ang mga director sa kanya na kailangan nating kailangang in your face, pogi po siya. Ganon lagi yung peg. And
Yeah.
like, that
Mm-mm.
face delivers every
Yeah.
damn time. Na
Pinaka-poging
parang,
smuggler
Aha.
sa buong mundo. My goodness.
di
Correct.
ba? Na
Mm-mm.
parang throwback to like moving, na parang yung entrance niya, hindi siya pwedeng papasok lang sa kwarto. No,
Hindi.
di ba? Parang lilipad siya. Di ba? Ganon.
Correct.
Oo,
Tapos,
kailangan.
dito hindi siya, di ba?
Ay,
Bigla na
pala.
lang.
Lipad pala. Yung hug.
Lipad.
Nasa sky. Tama,
Nasa
tama.
sky with the baby.
Oo.
Tapos dito, yung parang yung entrance niya, parang hindi mo pa alam. Figure lang na nasa likod lang niya, nakikita mo. Tapos nun, parang yung Yossi na nilight, tapos biglang, shook! Pag ganun ang camera, ay, ang
Oo.
pogi! parang
Correct.
ganun talaga.
Correct.
Parang yun yung point ni Direk, na parang talagang
Mm-mm.
bated breath. Sinaksakan ka
Oo.
na Yossi sa bibig mo, tapos parang, oh my God!
My God.
Yes.
Sana ako
Parang
na
ganun.
lang. Kim Yasu, move out of the way.
Right? Like,
Ganun
Sir,
na ganun
gamitin
siya
mo
dito sa
ako.
pelikula. Gusto ko lang
grabe.
isingit. Sobrang
Mm-mm.
favorite ko yung may brawl na. Yung yung
Sa may
dumating na
dulo.
yung goons
Oo.
sa bandang
Yes.
dulo.
Oo.
Tapos
Oo.
yung pinul niya si Jesus, tapos
Oh,
shinove
Oo.
niya siya sa banyo, tapos may titigan lang sila. Tapos
Yeah.
shinut niya yung door.
Oo.
Holy crap.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Ganda ng
Tapos,
chemistry nung dalawang yon,
ang
palpable.
ganda.
Mm-mm.
Tapos sobrang, yung to continue that, na parang, yung parang final shot niya doon ay yung parang, eto na, bugbog na ako. Nasaksak nga ako pero pogi ko pa rin, no? Parang ganun
Oo,
Parang nandun siya sa may door nung
Oo,
bumukas.
correct.
Bugbog sarado, dugo-dugo na. Pero parang bago ako mag-collapse, tignan nyo muna, ang pogi ko.
Correct.
Guys, gano'n.
Alam mo,
Grabe.
nalungkot talaga ako nung namatay siya dun. As in talagang parang like,
Matay.
o kaya, quote-unquote, namatay. So parang like, as in talagang sumakit yung puso ko. Tapos nung
Correct.
lumabas siya ulit nung dulo, parang ako like, all is well.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Uh-huh.
Direk. Mm-mm.
Ang
We
tingin
need
ko
to
nun
save
parang,
all the pogi.
correct.
Yeah,
Parang
important.
naka-white t-shirt siya noon, tas duguan na kasi nga, di ba, nagkaroon ng big brawl and shit. Pero parang ang
Mm-mm.
feeling ko dahil ang pogi-pogi niya, ang puti-puti pa rin ang t-shirt niya. Alam mo yun?
Correct. Parang kumikinang lang
Parang
na.
kumikinang pa rin
God.
siya.
Correct.
Di ba?
Grabe
So
talaga. So, in so.
Meron akong
Oh
fun
my
fact na
God.
nabasa. Apparently, kasi yung characters nga ni Jesus tsaka ni Johnzong, di ba, ang dami nilang mga titigan moments. So, parang may hint
Oo.
na may romantic something ba tong
Oo.
dalawa or
Correct.
something.
Oo.
Apparently, spontaneous lang yun on set. Like, it just came in the moment.
Oh, I
Like,
love it.
So, parang,
Ang hirap naman
holy
kasi hindi siya
crap.
titigan ng malagkit.
Diba?
Love
Guys,
it.
ano ba? Parang nag-react lang si Madam because acting is about
know.
reacting. Ganon.
Correct.
Exactly.
Totoo. Or
Ang
baka
hirap,
naman,
guys.
magkalat tayo ng chismis. Baka meron talaga silang relasyon.
Single din ba si Yesu?
I think so.
Inaalam.
Parang alam
Oo.
ko. Kasi
Ayaw
naalala ko,
na.
may
Naman siyang
kinukwento kayo
single.
yung sa Under the Queen's Umbrella, yung kinupkup
Oo.
niya yung kids, yung sons niya for
Oo.
Chuseok
Oo.
or something. Because wala din siyang kasama.
Correct.
Wala rin kasama for the holiday or something. So that
sila na ni
sounds
So and So?
single.
Sobrang
Well,
Sounds
power.
single.
Pero sobrang
Samera.
power. Like, I'll
Oo.
get behind this ship. Like, go. Kahit na
Mm-mm.
mahal-mahal ko si
Diba?
Insong. Sobrang
Oo.
go.
Right.
I love it. Yeah.
Sobrang last na lang din kasi sobrang love na love ko rin talaga si Ko Min-shi. As in like,
Right.
I really love her best when she's doing like mga roles na ganito. If you guys have seen Love Alarm, ganito rin kasi yung role niya. Yung napaka-atribida na parang kasi bagay sa mukha niya. Alam mo yun?
Correct.
Tapos parang naiinis ako sa kanya but at the same time, hindi pa rin kasi yung charm niya. Parang ganun.
Correct.
Ewan ko, tuwang-tuwa ako.
Oo.
Like,
Funky, oo, na
yeah.
with energy na hindi mo maintindihan.
And like, some kind of like loyalty to yung parang ganun. Although sa Love Alarm, wala siyang loyalty na pinakita doon. Maldita lang talaga siya.
Maldita lang
Pero,
talaga.
basta parang, I just love how she does it so well. And her comic timing is also on point. Like, girl,
Correct.
it's so good. Like, as
Correct.
in, sobrang nakikita ko na parang ibigay na sa kanya maging rom-com queen. Although, nandun siya sa serious acting, go lang din naman. Pero i-balance natin ng konti sa mga rom-com. Kasi sobrang
Kasi
cute.
kaya niya.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Diba?
Mm-mm.
Nakakatuwa. And her face, ang
Actually.
hirap hindi titigan. For me,
Actually,
gandang-ganda ako kasi sa kanya.
Yeah.
Correct.
She's very pretty. Mm-mm.
Well, for this one, tinititigan ko yung kilay niya. Kasi ninipisan talaga nila kasi nga 70s, di ba?
Correct. Tama.
Kung papansin mo, obviously, they covered it up lang with
Yeah,
makeup and then
oo,
put something.
oo.
Minsan, lumalabas na yung totoong kilay.
Oo. Totoo.
Hello.
Totoo. Medyo lumalabas yung mga
Hello.
hibla. Parang matagal na
Nagtutukan
masyado
ng
silang
makeup
nagsushoot ng scene na
artist.
yun.
Oo.
Kinulang na.
Oo.
Oo.
Mag-uumaga na
Ume-escape
kasi.
na siya eh.
Kailangan
Oo.
hindi ko siya.
Correct.
Ganon.
Correct.
So, natatawa lang
correct.
ako.
Correct.
Sorry. Last na talaga. Alam ko sabi yung
Oo.
tatlo na. Pero pinaka-last na talaga. Sobrang love ko yung underwater action scene. Like, parang,
Yes!
what is
Yes!
happening? Ang
Grabe.
galing. Tapos yung alam mo na dun sa world na to, underwater, ang babae ang mananalo dito kasi
Yeah.
turf nila to. Yung gano'n. Kaya
Correct.
sobrang, ang fantastic nung pagkakashoot na sobrang empowering ng feeling. Kaya sobrang, fantastic. Sobrang love na love ko yun.
Grabe.
Ayun, last na yun.
Sasakyan ko na yung sinabi ni Pia. Kasi as in, para sa akin, talagang nung nangyari yung scene na yun, as in, sobrang, ang ganda. Kasi, and I read somewhere nga na parang, with a lot of like action flicks, parang they try to do things slow-mo. Diba? I mean, nauso yun for a
Oo.
certain time, di ba? Zack Snyder
Yeah, yeah.
kind of situation. Pero
Yeah.
dito kasi since underwater siya, forced talaga na maging slow-mo yung mga bagay-bagay.
Oo.
So,
Oo.
automatic ang ganda niya tingnan, nakakatuwa.
Correct.
And it's, I don't know, I mean, I can't recall kasi an action film that's shot underwater that took that long. Ang haba. Kasi
Yeah.
full
Ang
on,
haba nung sequence.
ang haba
Oo.
nung sequence na yun eh. So, parang, ang galing lang na nagawa nila ng maayos at maganda.
Yes.
And
Correct.
realistic. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Realistic
Kasi 'di ba
siya.
parang nung pinapanood natin yung
Oo.
bumabalik sa 17,
Oo,
parang yung
oo.
behind the scenes nung 17
Correct.
underwater.
Hirap na hirap
'Di ba
sila nun.
parang pag lumubog ka, talagang may bubbles na lumalabas napakarami.
Correct.
Pero
Oo.
bilang mga henyo sila, wale, go!
Oo.
Talagang
As in,
ang
grabe.
galing.
And then, ang nakakatawa, may, parang I read pa somewhere na, parang alam mo kasi na on land, they're gonna lose versus the men. Kasi they don't have
Oo.
that eh. But in the water, they're queens. Alam mo
I
yun? No
Correct.
one
love
will.
that.
Kaya parang the moment na nag-decide yung mga lalaki na parang, oh, meron kaming diving equipment. Alam mo yun, kaya
Correct.
namin
Oxygen
kayo parang,
tanks.
oo,
Correct.
may mga tanks kami, parang, you stupid fox.
I
Akala
know.
nyo ha? These women have been
Oo.
doing this forever. Alam mo yun, mga reyna sila ng
Correct.
dagat. Akala nyo. So parang as like, also like a woman watching, nakakatuwa, ang sarap panoorin na parang, they're doing that. And what I appreciate siguro is hindi din siya, yes, may action scene in the water, but there's a softness to it. Hindi siya yung,
Yeah.
in contrast siya dun sa fight scene dun sa room, na bakbakan,
Oo.
duguan,
Hotel.
ganun.
Oo.
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 Parang dito, ayun nga, may fluidity, and then matalinong fight scene siya. Like,
Oo.
okay,
Oo.
hindi natin sila masusuntok. Idaan natin sila sa gitna ng dalawang malaking bato. Alam mo yun? Tapos,
Correct.
iipitin natin sila doon. Parang ang refreshing niya panoorin and then
Yeah.
action. So,
Yeah.
ayun. I think
Tapos
for me
parang
that,
since memorize nila yung landscape,
Seafloor.
seascape.
Oo.
exactly.
Seafloor, di ba? So parang alam nila kung saan dadalhin. Dito may octopus. Kunin natin yung octopus na yan.
Nakakatawa pa yung may
Diba?
octopus na.
Correct.
Sabi ng octopus, ano bang ginawa ko sa inyo? Ginawa niyo akong artillery. Nakakaloka. Ganda. Kakatuwa. As in, I mean, for me, yun talaga yung pinaka-highlight ng film. As in, I was like, nga habang nanonood ako. Which brings me then to, like, as in yung sinabi ni Mon earlier na parang, it was in the cinemas. Parang like, man, we missed that opportunity. Kasi
It
I
would have
feel
been
like it looks so
nice.
much, I mean, big screen, like all those
Yeah.
colors.
Correct.
Alam mo yon, na parang
Correct.
all the big hair.
Correct.
All the funk. Alam mo yun, ang saya. And honestly, like, without this amazing cast as well, parang feeling ko hindi nila mapupull off. Parang Kim Yesu, I mean, admittedly, medyo grating minsan yung boses niya. Ang tinis eh.
Oh my
Pero
God.
as in,
Sobrang gusto ko actually na
oo,
ginawa niya yun.
ginawa yung ganun.
Tapos ginagamit niya lang yung tinis niya. Well, one, I think it's because
Oo.
of the era. Kasi back in the day, yung mga pelikula nun, dahil naka-can pa yung
Oo.
film, ibig
Oo.
sabihin mahal. So people actually have to speak fast because
Oo.
every second counts. So I love that
Correct.
little thing that Yesu did there.
Yeah, oo.
And mas distinct yung tinis niya pag nagpre-pretend siya. Kasi diba hustler siya? Alam mo yun? When
Correct.
she's
Totoo.
trying to like kind of get away with things. Parang
Mm-mm.
extra tinis, extra whatever. Pero pag seryosohan na, like when they were doing that shop talk na nga between the girls,
Oo.
Minshi
Yeah.
and
Jungwa.
Junga. Oo,
Junga's
Junga.
characters,
Oo.
when they were planning na nga the main heist and stuff like that,
Yeah.
serious, alam mo yun. So parang I
Oo.
love that may atake si Yesu na ganon.
Kaya nga
Yeah.
actually ang saya din ng film in general kasi parang it's a good mix talaga of like the action and the comedy. Parang as
Yes.
in nakakatuwa. Parang, and I mean for me refreshing si Yesu dito kasi napanood ko siya sa yun nga, Signal, Under the Queen's Umbrella. Very serious si Madam. Kaya siya Madam eh.
Correct.
Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Correct.
Pero dito kasi parang alam mo yung talagang as in medyo tralala. Saan term nang galing yun? Pero alam mo, tralala siya. Pero guess yun yung tralala, di ba?
Super gets. Oo.
Nakakatuwa siya panoorin. Ayun,
Correct,
fun.
correct.
Oo, ayun.
Parang sobrang
Mm-mm.
obvious din na enjoy ni Yesu tong pelikulang to. Like,
Yeah.
she was saying that she's super into the 70s outfits, the fashion and everything. So much so na she was injecting suggestions to the
Oo.
costumes department. Siya yung nag-suggest, parang they had that parang matchy-matchy look of red and blue stripes and basta that
Ah,
color palette nung
yung silang
yumama
dalawa
na
ni
sila,
ano? Oo.
nung yung parang may bestie moment sila
Cute.
nun.
Oo.
Siya yung
Ah.
nag-suggest nun
Oo.
sa costumes
Aw.
department na sana ganun yung itsura, et cetera, et cetera. And then she
Mm.
was saying in the
Matchy-matchy sila.
she was saying in the interviews that she kept on suggesting so much stuff to the
Mm.
costumes department
Mm.
until they stopped replying na. So, tawang-tawa ako nun.
Aw,
Sobrang
cute.
gets ko yung
Oo.
costume department.
Oo, oo, oo,
Pero
oo. Let us do our job, madam, please.
oo.
Oo.
Pero sobrang na-appreciate ko siya kasi ito so parang she was
Mm.
saying naman that it was part of her way of getting into character, studying
Mm.
herself, her character itself.
Yes.
So I love that she put so much effort in it. And also, she also had a fear of water. Kasi apparently, she had like a
Mm.
film previously na underwater din, parang yung character niya was stuck in a car because of something. And
Oh.
medyo nagkaonting trauma siya because of it na she
Oo.
was
Oh.
kind of hesitant to, do another underwater film.
Oo,
But
oo.
because sobrang intriguing ng kwento, she just had to say
Hmm.
yes to it.
Hmm.
So, 'di ba? Kaya sobrang
Mm.
hanga-hanga ko kay Sutu. Sobrang obvious that actually in general, the cast, sobrang
Mm.
obvious na parang happy set 'to. Alam mo 'yon? Parang
Oo, yeah,
Ah.
it has that vibe.
'di ba, na
Oo.
parang they gelled so well. The three main
Mm.
women parang
Yes.
Mm.
ang ganda ng combo nila, ang ganda ng ano nila, ng chemmy, parang gano'n.
Chemistry,
So,
yeah.
Correct.
nakakatuwa. And speaking of costumes, so yun na nga, isa yun sa mga super
Mm.
sobrang nagustuhan ko about this film. The costumes were so fantastic and also the set design, the art direction.
Mm.
Yeah.
Technical wise, I loved it. Super
Hmm.
fantastic. It was perfect. From the editing with all those split screens and even the
Yes.
Yeah,
parang
actually.
'di ba, where
Mm.
may change ng aspect ratio like from
Oo.
1974 to
Yes.
1976 Seoul,
Oo.
parang it was Kunshan, small seaside town, ta's
Mm.
nag-widen siya nung nasa city na,
Mm.
Yeah.
natuwa ako dun. Ta's
Mm.
tama ba? Hindi ko alam kung mata ko lang yun, pero parang may pagka-grainy filtered look
Yung
kasi yung
start.
film.
Oo, yeah.
So parang you're getting like that sense of that era talaga and
Hmm.
based on what we heard nga about the director na mahal niya 'tong genre na 'to, parang it's super
Hmm.
making sense like sa mga choices nito. The
Correct.
music was so fantastic, like ang ganda ng groovy, funky disco, everything. Like honestly
Hmm.
sobrang natutuwa ako kasi 'di ba may bars, may dance hall setting.
Mm.
Yes.
Like, super enjoy ko kung gano'n kasi the music was just giving, alam mo 'yun? Parang
Mm.
Mm-mm.
binigay talaga na lahat to set everything up for the period na, it was that
Mm.
period. And the set design, alam mo 'yun, it was just s filled with so much details and hindi naman sa we grew up in the 70s ano, pero parang yung mga yung mga items kasi that were featured, yung mga sinu-smuggle nila, somehow kasi meron akong memory of at least the logos na parang gano'n yung or the
Correct.
brands, they were
Correct.
Mm.
so pretty familiar when we were growing up. Like
Mm.
Pang duty free
Sanyo,
lang.
pang
Pang
duty free
duty free!
siya,
'Di
oo,
ba?
yung mga
Oo,
Japan and
correct,
US
correct.
product, 'di ba? And
Oo.
kaya parang they didn't hold back with the details, like super love ko yung mga beaded seat, yung naalala ko yung sa tea house, yung alam mo yung upuan tas wooden beads, parang
Oo,
yun yung parang
yung
seat
parang sa
cover.
ano,
Hmm.
sa kotse, yung
Oo, na
inuupo
may
ng
gano'n din
taxi
sa kotse,
driver.
oo, gano'n. May mga gano'n sila,
Mm.
basta
Mm, for
everything,
acupuncture.
like you will not like it was so beautifully art directed na parang
Hmm.
wala akong masabi about it. Sobrang
Mm.
super duper
Mm.
kudos. So love na
Mm.
love ko yun. And
Hmm.
yes, yung underwater shot. But more than the action scene, sobrang love ko
Mm.
actually yung beginning part when they established
Hmm.
that they were Henyos. Kasi
Hmm.
yung when they dove down and then pinakita yung camaraderie of Henyos, like how they operate
Hmm.
na yung
Mm.
they shoot each other up. Yung parang 'pag one is going up and then may bababa na isa, yung they pull
Oo.
so that,
Yeah.
para may what do you call that? Para may force to go up or down.
Correct. Oo,
Parang
oo.
I thought that was so beautiful. I thought
Mm.
everything looked like ballet. Parang ang ganda ng
Yes.
choreography.
Yeah.
Mm.
So,
And they
it
got
was
a synchronized swimmer coach to help out with
okay, I
with
didn't know.
all of
Well, it
that.
would make
Mm.
sense. Oh, it would make sense.
Mm.
And I really thought it was like a
Yung sa
very,
Sulu Hotel.
very
Ina,
it
dun
was
pala
like a
galing.
very it was like
Mga nakita mo.
Oo.
Performed for the generals of the early 90s.
correct. It was like the perfect opening to set up
Mm.
the film. Alam mo yon na
Mm.
parang
Yeah.
the
Mm.
beauty of or the beauty and the skills of the henyo parang kakaiba sila unusual at alam mong hindi sila like they're not like a force na mamaliitin lang kahit na especially at the
Yes.
beginning parang
Mm.
I'm jumping ahead na parang at the beginning
Mm.
talagang established that the women were not up there. Parang they were just
Mm,
used
mm.
as the laborers, as the workforce,
Yes.
Mm.
parang gano'n. So
Mm.
parang
Yes.
ang ganda ng establishing nung underwater scene opening na yon. And
Correct.
finally, sobrang gusto ko na yung like what Pia was saying na very resonating yung villains, I guess, the customs. I don't know. Parang parang kasi
Grabe,
alam
Pilipinas
mo yun? Di
lang.
ba? Parang Pilipinas lang eh.
Correct.
And even like
Oo.
Jo In-sung's character who
Gosh.
also happens to be a cop and he's like the
Yeah.
smuggling kingpin.
Hmm.
Parang
Yeah.
it's all so familiar na alam mo
Correct.
Mm.
yun.
Oo.
Kaya it's a very, very easy film to get on board in.
Mm.
Yes.
But
Correct,
I feel
correct.
kasi parang it's such a parang it deals with so many things but it doesn't go too deep na you get
Oo.
lost in the complexities of everything.
Oo.
Parang the
Oo.
fact na it's also comedic, alam mo, kind of like makes it easier for you to watch. Even if the
Yes.
subject is so very heavy in, alam mo yun,
Correct.
from a different perspective.
Yeah.
So, kaya the two
Correct.
hours just flew by. Ang saya lang niya
Yeah.
panoorin. Mm.
Coming from what you were saying, Trency, that's also
Mm.
why I really like this film kasi very
Mm.
insightful siya. Ang dami niyang
Mm.
nabigay na things that we kind of didn't know about, I guess.
Mm.
So, like, for example, the plight of the Henyos, the situation of the 70s, Korea, yung ganon. So,
Mm.
now, sa next tanong ko, what was like the theme that resonated with you the most? Or yung talagang tumatak sa'yo?
Ako, sa'kin parang, ayun nga, as I've mentioned, parang it was intentionally light. And I think yun yung highlight talaga nung film na yun for me. So, parang I don't wanna really parang parang hindi ko masyadong naisip actually yung mga like deeper thematics niya. But the one thing about the movie that really stood out for me is yun nga, yung kwento ng mga henyo. And, parang how it all kind of like plays around in this situation. And I
Yeah.
think siguro sobrang ano din niya kasi parang timely. Kasi parang na-highlight talaga sila for the past couple of years. Alam mo yun, like ngayon merong documentary sa Apple on Henyos. And then we have Welcome to
Mhm.
Samdalri. And then parang I'm watching Virtuous Business and may isa kasing episode na pumunta sila sa isang ay hindi pala mga henyo yun. Basta mga fisherwomen din siya. So,
Mm.
alam mo yun, and then there's like so many others na parang na-highlight sila. So, sa ano din, I'm watching Romance in the House. And then yung isang product kasi
Mm.
nila is galing sa mga henyo. So they're like basta isang
Mm.
grocery, ta's meron silang binibentang product na ang nagbebenta sa kanila yung mga henyo. So as in it's like everywhere
Mm.
and like small doses, or even
Correct.
highlighted. And I really, really super appreciate that because we all know naman na, I mean, they're in decline, alam mo yun?
Yes.
Kumbaga parang sila yung medyo, sino yung tattoo artist natin? Wang Od. May ganun siyang feel
Oo.
for me, 'di
Oo.
ba? Parang
Oo.
like, alam mo yun, parang centuries of tradition lost. Like right now, there's only like 3,000 henyos na lang, alam mo yun, mostly in Jeju. Pero in the film, parang they're everywhere kasi this was in close to Busan, 'di ba?
70s, yes.
Oo, 'di ba?
I
So
had to
parang
oo. I
mm,
actually had to research on that kasi all this time I thought
mm.
Jeju lang yung mga henyos, but
Yes.
apparently
Oo.
meron din sa
Oo.
Busan. Parang mas
Yeah.
kilala lang
Oo,
talaga yung sa Jeju.
sa Jeju.
Mm.
And I
But
think dun
anyway,
dun
yung
dun na lang din yung na-maintain, alam mo
hmm,
yun? Kasi parang as we've also seen here in the film, parang modernization really, alam mo yun, parang naisantabi talaga yung traditions nila. So, I mean, Busan
mhm,
as this like brimming port, wala silang choice talaga kundi
correct.
Mm.
to adapt. Alam mo yun. And ayun nga, parang aside from their story nga of having to adapt, parang I really like seeing parang at least a snippet of how they did it. Like, yung mga
How
underwater
they
scenes
swam.
talaga,
Yeah,
oo, really
exactly.
showed that, like, how they
Mm.
gathered, um,
Yeah.
the clams, the abalones and all that.
Abalone.
Yeah.
Oo, so,
Oo.
yun yung natutuwa ako. So, yun for me
Mm.
yung isa mga highlights.
Actually, I wanna ride on that thought too kasi yun din sa'kin yun din yung tumatak sa'kin, the plight of the
Mhm,
Henyos. 'Cause
mm,
yes, exactly what you said kasi most
hmm,
of the show I haven't seen the docu in Apple
hmm.
TV pero siguro naman may mga underwater shots din dun, 'di ba? Pero
Oo.
yun nga like in, Welcome to Samdalri and all that, kahit na henyo yung characters, we just see them on the surface, alam mo yun? We
Correct,
know the
oo.
difficulties, they show naman how difficult it is to be a henyo, et cetera. Pero we don't get to see them in action underwater. So I thought
Mm,
Mm.
it was so
mm.
beautiful. Tas babad pa siya, hindi lang siya
Yeah.
afterthought, alam mo yun?
Yeah,
Parang
Yeah.
ito siguro
oo.
highlight talaga na
Yeah.
Oo.
mahaba ang underwater shots dito, gano'n. Kasi
Yeah, as
ito,
in.
Correct.
this is a world that they dominate in, parang gano'n. So I
Yes.
really
Oo.
love that.
Kasi ano, natuwa ako kasi nga parang like it's everywhere right now. Like even this like Instagram guy that I follow, his name is
Max
at
not
Max.
here.
Oo, Max
I saw
Nati.
him.
Oo, nakakatuwa. So ano, sa mga hindi nakakilala sa kanya, follow him because he's an American guy who is very, very fluent in Korean.
Yeah.
And like, as in, so he's staying now in Seoul as a content creator. And talagang he's there to really actually promote the culture. And then, so he found himself in Jeju. Tapos parang, you can actually learn how to be a henyo and even get a certificate after
Yeah.
you've done
Wow.
your
And get an
course.
identification card. Yeah.
Oo. So, sa mga pupunta sa Jeju diyan, if you're interested in trying out your lungs, especially kung ano kayo, nagda-diving na rin kayo, do it. Parang I feel like it's a very enlightening experience.
Nakuwento din ng mom ko who visited Jeju
Mm.
this year. As in siya pa yung nag-bring up
Nainggit naman
parang
ako sa nanay mo, nauna pa siyang Jeju sa atin.
I know, 'di ba?
"Tita, sama sama kami." Hindi mo naman sinasabing pupunta ka, tita.
'Di ba? Nakakatuwa pa kasi parang nung kinakamusta ko siya, "Oh, how was
Oo.
your trip?" With the intention of, "Did you enjoy Olive Young?" Kasi
Oo, oo,
dami
oo.
naming
Ah.
pina-shopping sa kanya sa Olive Young, my
Oo.
sister ko. But she went on to say na, "Oh, did you know about the Henyos?" Kasi parang because it
Ah.
was like a company tour
Mm,
thing. So
mm.
in their itinerary, parang they spent like an afternoon or something na parang may cultural center talaga for the Henyos
Hmm.
wherein they perform their song and dance kasi may ganong culture yung
Ah,
Henyos, eh, 'di ba? They
wow!
sing and dance. I
I
guess
love
you know
it.
how I guess when they work or it's a tradition that comes from way back. So
Oo.
when they're at sea or when they're at work or whatever, they have
Mm.
formed all these folk
Parang mga
songs.
rowing songs lang, gano'n. Oo.
Parang
But how do
ganon.
they sing
So
it underwater? Char.
mermaid sirens pala
Oo.
sila in real
Gano'n.
life.
Ah.
So anyway, mom was telling me about them na parang ang cute lang na kasi she was so excited because it was a
Mm.
world nga that she first encountered lang. So parang she was so interested in the culture and blah blah blah. But and then she wanted to say na grabe no, kasi nga they're in decline. Ito na lang ginagawa nila, nagpe-perform sila ganon kasi nga hindi na sila, I guess these are the older women na siguro hindi na masyadong maka-dive or something. So, they still have to do something to survive, alam mo yun. And it was also their way of promoting the heritage so that it won't die. Kasi
Yeah,
nga alam
oo,
nilang
oo.
it's
Feeling ko
in
necessary din
decline.
naman.
Oo. So,
Mm.
parang it's so beautiful and sad at the same time. And
Mm.
um but
Mm.
I'm glad my mom experienced it, and I hope we get to experience too because I'm so curious.
Mm.
Like I really,
Yeah.
really want to see what it's all about also.
Mm.
Yeah.
And in the film, as in dahil nga sobrang highlighted yung henyo, sobrang parang ang dami kong natutunan. Parang I
Mm.
had to research on, you know how when they go up and then they do that whistling sound,
Mm-mm,
Yeah.
mm-mm.
'di ba?
When they
Like I had to
surface.
when they
Mm.
surface,
Mm.
apparently it is called the sumbisori. It's like the whistling sound that the henyos make when they surface. So it's like it sounds like a hooey hooey sound. I can't
Ah.
really. Parang ganon, oo.
Mm.
So ang purpose nun is that it helps them inhale oxygen and exhale dioxide. So parang it's like a breathing thing so that I guess para hindi mabigla yung lungs nila and so that they can, get more
Ah.
oxygen in
Oo.
or something
Correct.
better. And at the same time, it is a form of communication because apparently every hui, it's different per person. Syempre iba yung tunog
Mm.
or
Parang
something.
sa
Mm.
mga
So,
dolphin.
I guess.
Oo.
So
Grabe.
siguro, I mean, 'di ba, you know how we're like in the middle, you're in open water. It's actually hard to communicate. So it's their
Yeah.
way of communicating to each other. I guess kung if someone's in trouble or needs help or whatever, parang they form that system. So
Mm.
para they can still communicate nga. So nakakatuwa, 'di ba, na parang wala lang. I like it when I learn something from films and dramas and stuff like that. So
Exactly. Parang you
Yeah.
kaya I
research
really,
after.
parang kaya I really
Mm.
really appreciated the henyo aspect that they
Mm.
featured in the film, ayun.
Mhm.
Mm.
Mhm.
Mm.
Ikaw, Pia, ano yung parang tumatak sa'yo, gano'n?
Well, I mean, adding on to the henyo is really about like the feminist themes of the movie. Like, I just love
Mm.
how like the women were just so in the forefront of all of this. Tapos parang iniisip ko nga yung parang nung sinabi ni Mon na yung mga henyo ngayon, so parang to make a
Mm.
living, they're now like singing and dancing. So parang iniisip ko, kung mga lalaki yun, hindi yun yung path nila. Parang ganon. Hindi sila
Mhm.
biglang kakanta to make a living or sasayaw to make a living. I'm sure there'd be something else. There's something so beautiful and so strong about women in this film that was captured so well
Mm.
na parang yun nga, binanggit natin yung sa underwater scenes, it looked so beautifully choreographed. It looked so nice. Pero nandun yung strength and yung power. And it really is something that I feel like, especially with everything that's happening in the world right now, it's something that we
Uh-huh.
need to be reminded of. And
Mm.
knowing how very patriarchal Korea is, parang I love that there's a celebration of this, pero yun nga, alam mo na parang medyo kulang pa rin in the sense of like the women are still, parang ganun nga sa movie, na sila naman
Mm.
talaga yung yung backbone of their economy, but hindi pa rin sila
Oo.
yung nasusunod dito. It's still a
Correct.
male-dominated world na parang
Mm.
kahit ano mangyari, ang boss, lalaki pa rin, especially
Mm.
in Korea, 'di ba? So
'Di
Mm.
ba?
parang yun, parang it's just such,
Mm.
it's very empowering but at the same time parang nakaka-sad din na grabe ang dami nating mga mabibigay as women but like
Mm.
there's still so many constraints that are just really stopping us from being everything that we can be, i.e. angry men.
Correct.
Especially that
Ayan.
blonde orange one anyway.
Exactly. Who mobilized all
Anyway.
the angry men.
Mm.
Since nasimulan mo na, I guess kasi ang susunod ko na question is about the gender and power dynamics featured in the film. Any other
Mm.
thoughts on this? Chency, baka you wanna add on to?
Parang ano nga eh, I mean, yun nga, the film, the women are at the forefront eh. Pero you have to step back a little to really get into the gender dynamics of how the film is. Alam mo yun? Parang, kasi
Mhm.
on the surface level, it's really just a celebration eh. Kasi at the end of the day, yung mga babaeng nanalo. Alam mo yun? Because,
Yeah.
Yeah.
alam mo yun? Because they were good at what they do. And I mean, at the start of the movie, kasi they're the underdogs. And of course, you wanna
Mm.
celebrate the underdogs. And pero it also highlights, especially at that time, how the balance talaga is so off. Like, when poverty comes to you, your family, and society, the women are really the ones who suffer the most. Like, yung story pa lang ni Yesu na she lives in poverty, like she had to go cleaning, and then in the middle of all that cleaning gig, parang ni-rape pa siya. Alam mo yun na parang we are so vulnerable. Alam mo yon. And I guess which is why this film is so empowering. Kasi parang saan ka pinaka-vulnerable, di ba? Sa tubig. Di
Mhm.
ba? Parang, alam mo
Correct.
yun, parang people are afraid of the water. Kasi alam mo yun, mahirap mag-survive doon. Eh, hindi ka nga mag-survive doon as a human being, di ba? Unless isda ka, or siren, or mermaid. Pero look at these women, parang in all their vulnerability, like being the strongest in the place where people fear the most. Alam mo yun? So, nakakatuwa lang na, alam mo yun, you can see it from that end. Na, pero the thing is, you can also still feel it now. Alam mo yun, at this day and
Mhm.
age. Na our vulnerability is still being used against us. Alam mo yun, na
Yes.
you cannot be in power because you're a woman. You're too emotional. You're too weak
Mm.
physically. Alam mo yun, na parang, well, this film has proven, and the Henyos have proven constantly, na hindi ganun eh. Hindi lang yun ang batayan. Tama ba? Ang batayan,
Batayan.
Batayan.
bantayan sa Cebu.
Correct.
Hindi lang yun ang batayan ng, alam mo yun, ng pagiging powerful or pagiging strong na tao. Tapos, ayun. And, I mean, as I was doing research din for this film, parang like, may nadaan ako article nga about the Apple TV documentary. I haven't seen it, actually. But I was just curious about how it is. And it was actually produced pala by Malala, Madam. Another Madam.
Yeah, I did
Oo.
read up on that, yeah.
Oo. And then parang I was reading it, and then parang nasabi nila dun na parang yung mga Henyos daw, they were always bickering with each other. As in, parati sila nagtatalo. Na nakikita natin sa K-drama actually. Like parang
Correct.
any kind of like work setup na puro babae, ang dami nagtatalo parati. Alam mo yon.
Correct.
Correct.
Pero ang nakakatuwa dun sinabi nila, yung observation is, na even if they fight, they bicker, parang ang automatic response after is parang to forgive and it's gonna be okay. Kumbaga parang, and
Mhm.
it is not na parang like isasantabi mo lang lahat, pero kasi they know innately na they have to work together. So ang sabi nga doon, parang it's a human unconditional support for one another, and they know that it is central to their survival. So
Correct.
talagang kahit na nagbabanggaan sila, they know that they need to work together because they need to survive. So,
Correct.
nakakatuwa lang na may ganun. And I feel like, honestly, parang as emotional creatures, women, we are yes, intrinsically more emotional than men. Parang I feel like yun yung power natin din. Alam mo yun?
Exactly.
Na we can traverse all these emotions, but at the end of the day, know that we need to come together to do better, to do great things. So, ayun. I hope I made sense.
No,
Kasi
you
parang
did. You
feeling ko I was
did.
like,
Oo. There
scrambling.
was a
Ganun.
sense yung parang
Mm-mm.
first or second heist na
Mm-mm.
plinano ni na Hesunga and
Mm-mm.
Junga.
Mm-mm.
Yung kasi nalaman na nga ni Jinsuk na si
Yeah.
Hammer yung reason kung bakit namatay yung dad and brother niya kasi
Mm.
siya yung
Yeah.
nag-spill ng info sa tawag
Mm-mm.
dito, customs officer. Yung customs officer
Oo.
pala yung villain.
Yeah.
Hindi
Yes.
natin na-mention. But anyway,
Oo.
so galit na galit siya, obviously. Pero sinabihan siya ni Yesu na, oy, umayos ka, huwag ka mag-react, keep it cool. Kasi if
Mm-mm.
you react now, you're gonna ruin our plan. Parang think of the bigger picture. Parang
Mm-mm.
control
Oo.
yourself and
Mm-mm.
then don't trust in the process. We'll get there.
Mm-mm.
Parang it's gonna be more
Mm-mm.
effective that way.
Mm-mm.
Sobrang natuwa ako dun sa eksenang yun. Kasi it makes sense. I mean, maliban sa strength in numbers, yung working together, parang, yes, we are emotional, but we also have to keep calm, I guess. Although, syempre, hindi ko naman fina-fault yung women to go, pag bigla na lang magiging emotional and
Mm.
ruin the plan. Kasi, I mean, shit happens. And like, when it happens, ano magagawa natin? She's
Mm.
only a human being, di ba?
Mm.
Pero, there is a lesson there, I guess, na parang sometimes, you have to think of the bigger picture. It's part of working together. Alam mo yon.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
Mm.
it's part of the camaraderie na para magkatotoo yung plano, 'di ba? Para maging
Yeah.
Mm.
successful yung plano. So I really really like that. You know, when I was reading up on the reviews on this film, a lot of them were, well, some, kasi 88% naman yung sa Rotten Tomatoes, but some who voted rotten. Parang a lot of them were saying na uh it's supposed to be highlighting the badassery of women or something like that. But somehow it feels like mas marami pang babad sa men. Like the goons, alam mo yon? I mean the
Si
action
Jo In
scenes of
Sung.
the goons.
As we did
And
earlier.
I
Correct.
know, I know. Because
Mm.
he's beautiful. I mean,
Important.
Yeah,
it's
bakit?
very important. Pero ang
Oo.
point lang naman ng sinasabi nila, parang mas maraming babad on the sub-characters, the male sub-characters, as compared to, I guess, the other henyos and stuff. Pero ako, parang nagdi-disagree ako. Kasi parang I think sakto lang, enough lang, na
Yeah.
Mm.
pinakita nila
Exactly.
yung situation ng women. And there's like a parang, there was a treatment there then, na dahil mas babad yung men, isn't that also like a statement na parang, yeah, but that's because it's always the men na
Yeah.
pinapakita, alam mo yon. But at
Mm.
the end of the
Exactly.
day, sino nanalo? Ang mga babae, 'di ba? So parang
Correct.
Mm.
okay lang 'yon. It doesn't matter. So parang yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-share na may ganun ako thoughts sa
Yeah.
mga
Mm.
nag-review na gano'n. Pero
Yeah.
valid
Correct.
naman. Super gets ko naman. Parang they were blaming the writing, blah, blah, blah.
Mm.
But I just feel like it was a good statement na kahit
Mm.
na mas maraming lalaki, kahit na onti lang yung, I mean, ang liit lang ng grupo ng henyos na pinakita, alam mo
Mm.
yun?
Mm. Mm.
But because they worked together, they succeeded, alam mo yun? So,
Mga
Mm.
lalaki
I,
siguro nagsulat ng review na yun. Kasi hindi nila na-feel yung vindication
Yun nga
after.
eh.
Because I
Ayun nga
did
eh.
not feel that imbalance and I really
Oo.
felt na parang it focused more on
Same.
the women and it feels like a
Mm.
little nitpicky. Hay nako,
Yeah.
a little bit,
stop
a
looking
little
at
bit.
it with a male gaze.
Ayun nga
A
eh.
little bit.
Yeah,
There
very
were
true.
some women though who said that, who wrote that. But
Mm.
anyway, it's their thoughts and these are our thoughts. So I think
Mm.
it's fine.
I guess siguro parang
Oh.
may point din na parang like, bakit si Jo In Sung kailangan siya i-save? Kung, alam mo yun, may mga ganong, angles
Mm.
din. Alam mo yun? Parang pwede rin namang isipan ng ganun. Pero, kumbaga, parang, hindi naman kasi ito documentary eh. Alam mo yun?
Correct.
I mean,
Correct.
it's still supposed to be a fun film to watch. Alam mo, it's still
Yeah.
supposed to
True, that's
engage
true.
you.
And
So,
honestly, feeling ko kung mas babaran yung mga kwento ng mga babae, mas maiinis ako kasi it's gonna be melodramatic, I guess. I mean, more of
mm,
there was
mm,
already enough of the hardships shown,
mm,
right? Like
mm,
when they were yung naglalaba sila on the side for the men na who were
mm,
whiny about their clothes and shit.
mm,
The
mm,
woman whose leg got bitten by a shark because
Yeah.
desperation, tapos
Yeah.
um sa sobrang poor nila, yung what you call that, yung mga fish parts na dapat itatapon, yun yung
mm,
gina-gather niya para lang
Kinakain.
may makain sila, mga gano'n. Parang for me that was enough. Hindi naman sa
Exactly.
galit ako sa poverty porn or yung mga gano'ng klaseng treatment. Pero parang gusto ko na yung timpla na gano'n. Kasi parang kung masyado pa nilang uh, lagyan ng more kwentos of the stories, I feel like one, it's gonna be the usual and
ah,
it might drag, alam mo yon. Parang
ah,
I like that they kinda just focused on the heist stuff, alam mo yon.
yeah,
Parang,
oo, mm,
and it was more than enough to feel na there is the power, the badassery in the females in this film. Alam mo yun, the power
mm,
of the women was shown. So,
mm,
ayun lang naman. Yun lang naman yung gusto kong sabihin.
mm,
I do feel that it is more than enough and that, yun nga, like, enough na yung story. 2 hours na siya eh. Bakit pa
Ayun din.
pinahabaan?
Oo.
But
Correct,
anyway.
correct.
oo,
Tsaka
oo,
masaya yung heist. Alam mo yun? Ang saya ng boat rides. Ang ganda ng underwater shots. It was more than enough. It was entertaining. Alam mo yun? I thought it was done well. Ayun.
mm, mm.
So, Was this film worth the watch? And would you guys recommend it to other people? Given
Ako,
Definitely worth the watch.
everything we
I
just
feel
said?
like anybody, parang it doesn't require preparation like the wailing. Alam mo yun? It could be like you're just bored and it's just a night na wala kang ibang pwedeng gawin.
mm,
It's worth a try because it's entertaining enough. If you don't need to go deep with like the issues of the Henyos to understand it. You don't need to
Mhm.
like put too much thought. Like just as a story in itself. And if you like yun nga, mga Quentin Tarantino types of like
yeah.
very spaghetti western type pero done a Korean way. Like
Mm,
there's a lot of action, a lot of gore, but still
mm-mm.
very funny. That's still very tongue in cheek in some parts. I think it's worth a watch. Pwede din pang jowa, hindi lang siya pang babae. Ma-enjoy din siya ng lalaki. And
Correct.
kung ma-realize ng lalaki yung women's issues by watching this, then good job. Why
Yeah.
not?
Oo.
Correct.
Mm-mm. Ako, everything Pia
Ev-
said is pretty
Same.
much yes. Oo. Ako, like, super fun film. Alam mo yon, parang, I mean, yun nga, parang it's something to watch on a Friday night if you have nothing else to do. Alam mo yon. And then, after
Mhm.
you're done, you're gonna sleep well. Because it was a fun film. Oo.
Correct.
Yun. Masaya siya.
Super agree.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
And if you guys have reached this point of the episode at hindi nyo pa napapanood ng movie, well, good job. Na-spoil nyo na-spoil na lahat sa inyo. But thank you for sticking by. But go see the film. It's on View. And if you guys want to rewatch, you've seen it already and want to watch it, ayun na nga, View. Do check it out and enjoy the film because that's it.
Yes.
It's just an enjoyable film worth every minute of it. Okay, so we've now reached this part of the episode na syempre we end with the game. Okay, ang game na to, simple lang. I included it because, well, just because there was a shark in this film randomly, but I loved it. Biglang naging Jaws. So, ang pangalan ng game na to ay Shark Tank. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this. Ang Shark Tank basically magpipitch ng product for the rich people to invest in. But for this game, I asked the girls and myself to pitch a product na pretending na we live in the world na walang shopping apps, walang logistic apps. So walang Shopee, Lazada, and stuff. We don't have easy access to products that can be found abroad. And kailangan namin ng isang product na useful to want to sarang. So, ang pitch is kung anong product ba yon na worthy to smuggle in. And by smuggle, meaning we are also pretending that we live in the world, actually, baka real life to, na kailangang i-smuggle dahil masyadong mahirap at mahal kung ipapa-go through customs pa. So, ayon, just like in the movie, we have to smuggle in the goods so that we don't have to pay taxes. So, part of the proposal is to tell us how you want to smuggle in this said product. Ang catch, we only have 1 minute to pitch. So, ayon. Who wants to go first? Gay-gay-bo na lang kaya tayo.
Okay, gay-gay-bo.
Okay. Gay-gay-bo!
Tangina, una.
Okay.
Ano ba yan yung sa'yo?
Sorry.
Papel
ito.
ka din? Damn it.
Papel. So, una si Trency, Pia. Gay-gay-bo. Gay-gay-bo. Okay, next is Pia and then ako
Okay.
ang last.
Middle.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Let me
Okay.
set the timer.
Mhm.
Are you ready, Trency?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, your 1 minute starts now.
Okay, alam niyo naman po, as One to Sarang, syempre kailangan din po namin i-brand ang aming mga sarili, di ba? So, One to Sarang na kami, Pia, Trency, and Monica. We also have our Sarang Base. Hi, Sarang Base! Hello! Pero kulang pa rin. Kailangan din po namin ng mascot. At ano po ang kailangan natin? Yung mascot na gumagalaw parang si Jollibee. Naku, mahirap po yung paggawa dito. Kailangan po yun kunin sa China. So, yun po ang isang bagay na kailangan po talaga namin. Okay. Paano po natin siya ipapasok sa Pilipinas? 'Di ba? Mascot siya, malaki, magaan lang actually technically. Syempre para mabuhat ng isang tao. So, papalutangin lang po siya from China to the Philippines. Yes. Na may maliit na propeller para at least mag-guide siya. Kumbaga, para alam mo yun, battery-operated, parang thingy para mapadala siya sa Pilipinas. So, yun. So, sa mga Sarang Base na nag-aabang for our mascot, abangan nyo na lang. Darating na po siya
And
by the
stop.
water from China.
Sakto.
Ano
Ang
ba mascot
follow-up,
natin?
tsaka ang follow-up question, may kasama bang tao sa mascot?
Girl! Ayoko ma-human rights! Huwag tayo
Correct.
dyan!
Baka may Alice Guo na sumama.
Correct.
Nakakatakot.
Nakakatawa yun. Paano ka nakarating sa Pilipinas, Alice? Via mascot po.
Sa farm.
Sabaw.
Okay, Pia, it's your turn. Are you ready?
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay, your Shark Tank pitch starts now.
Okay, because they're, again, sticking to what I know, which is liquor. Sobrang dami kasing masasarap na whiskey na China and Taiwan exclusive. Hindi talaga siya pinapadala dito sa Pilipinas kahit anong mangyari unless you go there and buy a bottle yourself. And most of them are sherry cask whiskeys kasi yung gusto nila, masarap ang mga sherry cask whiskeys. So yun yung iniisip ko na kailangan nating mapadala dito. Tapos naalala ko kasi, matagal na ako last pumunta sa Ilocos, bata pa ako noon. Tapos pag nasa Ilocos ka, yung radyo, napipick up niya yung radyo ng Taiwan. So yun yung iniisip ko na paraan kung paano nila mapapadala yung whiskey papuntang Ilocos na siguro. O kahit na mas north pa ng Ilocos, kahit na
Yes.
Mababuyan Islands,
Mm.
via radio waves. I feel like with this pitch, makakaisip tayo ng paraan, somebody who could innovate and whiskey via radio waves coming here. And I thank you.
Wow,
Shark,
perfect.
thank you.
And a very, very apt answer because our last episode was on
Correct.
alcohol. So,
Panoorin
wow.
ninyo.
Yeah.
Who
siguro meron
survived?
kayong idea
Mm.
kung bakit mahal na mahal ni Pia ang alcohol.
Pero ang tanong, mahal
Whiskey
ba
po,
siya
ang soju
ng
hindi.
Ginro Red Cup?
Mahalin niyo ako. I'm willing. Come on. Sponsorship for One to Sarang. Let's go.
Okay.
O yan na, si Monica.
So, okay.
I can
let
timer
me-
you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Because I'm not. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, and go.
Okay, dear Pia and Trency, my fellow One to Sarangers, alam naman natin, ang kailangan lang talaga natin sa ating mga puso at diwa at katawan, hala, ay, ang mga miyembro ng 17.
Sila,
So,
babalik
yes.
at babalik. Mm.
Isa-smuggle ko sila inside. And
Wow!
while they
Inside what?
inside the Philippines. And while they have been here several times, I feel like it's smuggle worthy kasi alam mo yun, ang hirap for them to go through the airport na hindi nadudumog, you know. So
Correct.
basically, sorry ha, pero this is like kasi needs of One to Sarang. So for our own consumption only.
Wow.
Ang purpose ng
Oh
pagdala
my God,
ng
human trafficking.
17. I know. But I will not, make it like a human rights violation kasi ang proposal ko for them to get here illegally is basically via boat tapos yung boat gawa ni Mingyu. And I
Done.
thank you.
Yes! Oh my God!
Rage.
Please, boat lang ni Mingyu. Bakit ba si Minghao pinag-leader ninyo ng boat? Gusto lang niya ng mga bagay na magandang tignan. Aesthetic, pero functional, hindi. Oh, let's go kay Mingyu.
So, what do you think, Sarang Base?
Mm.
Ano ang
Mm.
pinaka-best pitch na worth the illegal activity for?
Oo, please huwag niyo kaming i-report.
Correct.
Compliant kayo dito. Compliant? Is that the word? Basta yun.
But anyway, thank you for watching our episode. And also thank you to us girls for saying yes to my Shark Tank activity. And also for dressing up in all these prints a la 70s. Kalimutan ko i-mention. In fairness, diba, binagaya namin ng episode. Nag-effort kami. So, If you guys liked what you just watched, follow us on our socials. We are on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you are enjoying our content, we'd love your support. Please hit that follow button and give us 5-star reviews on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Your feedback helps us grow and brings us more amazing content your way. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa. Shegoya. Saranghe. Thank you.
Anong sea life ang gagamitin nyo as the perfect weapon?
Kasi nagamit na yung octopus.
Nagamit na yung octopus. Nagamit na rin yung shark.
Okay, okay.
Eh di doon ako sa Diclo ni Monica.
But
Oh,
what
you're a
is
pro.
a D-glow?
It's a
It's a
glowing
Dikia that glows.
Mga Sarang Bays, panoorin ang aming teaser from our alcohol episode. You will know. Glowing.